students. Yesterday we have studied inverse trigonometric functions up to cos inverse x. Now today we will study some more inverse trigonometric functions. The domain of cosec function is r minus integral multiples of pi. So, and the range is r minus open interval minus 1 to 1. So from the domain we remove 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi and so on, and the range is greater than 1 or it is less than minus 1. So the graph of the cosec function is like this. It is like like parabola. Between 0 to pi, first of all from 0 to pi by 2 it decreases up to 1 and then increases up to pi except pi. It is increases to infinity except at pi. Similarly, on this left hand side of the 0. Now, if we restrict the domain of cosec x function to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 minus 0, then in that range it is 1, 1 and on 2. Like see here, if we restrict the domain from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 except at 0, then all the values of cosec x function are covered in this part, and there is no repetition of values, means it is 1 1 function. So it is invertible in this domain. Similarly, in the domain minus 3 pi by 2 to minus pi by 2 except at minus pi, or pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 except at pi, in all these domains it is 1 1 function, so it is invertible in these domains. Out of these, this is called the principal domain, principal value branch, and the range is the set of real numbers r minus minus 1 1. So when we talk about inverse function, this range becomes the domain of the inverse cosec function. So the cosec x cosec inverse function is from r minus minus 1 1 to minus pi by 2 minus 0. This is the principal value branch, and the graph of it will be like this. The values of x and y, they are interchanged in here. So we will plot pi by 2, pi 3 pi by 2 to pi on y-axis and 0 1 2 3 on the x-axis, and it will be shape will be like this. Then we have sec inverse function. The domain of the sec function is r minus odd multiples of pi by 2, and the range is the set r minus open interval minus 1 to 1. Now if we restrict its domain to 0 to pi, आप देख रहे हैं अगर हम 0 से पाई तक इसको restrict कर दें तो इसकी सारी वैल्यूज कवर हो रही हैं, पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज भी नेगेटिव वैल्यूज भी कवर हो रही है एक्सेप्ट एट पाई बाय 2, है ना। तो इसी तरह से आगे देखें, अगर पाई से 3 पाई बाय 2 और 3 पाई बाय 2 से 2 पाई तक देखें तो भी इसकी सारी वैल्यूज कवर हो रही हैं एक्सेप्ट एट 3 पाई बाय 2. So to make it 1 1, we can restrict its domain to any of the interval minus pi 0 minus pi by 2 और 0 pi एक्सेप्टेड pi by 2 और पाई 2 पाई एक्सेप्टेड 3 pi by 2। अगर इसमें से किसी भी डोमेन में रेस्ट्रिक्ट कर देंगे तो सेक फंक्शन 1 1 रहेगा और इसीलिए ये इन इंटरवल्स में इन्वर्टिबल होगा। अब इसका जो रेंज होता है वो r -1 to 1 होता है सेक फंक्शन का, इसलिए ये सेक इनवर्स फंक्शन का डोमेन बन जाएगा। सो सेक इनवर्स फंक्शन इज फ्रॉम r माइनस ओपन इंटरवल -1 to 1 टू 0 पाई माइनस पाई बाय 2, ये इसकी प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू ब्रांच है, ये इसका रेंज होगा। So that's all for today. Thank you.